Good morning. It is time to prune the fern. It's been several days now. It's been in a humidity captured environment. And so I see some of the leaves are turning brown. And so we're going to give it a little bit of oxygen and we're going to just look at the care of the fern. And looks like it's doing still pretty good. I have some pieces, well, just like any normal growing plant, some things, they do die. But overall, just pruning some of the plants, the leaves of the plants. This plant is really doing great though in its environment. I think what I had done when I put it inside the tank, the terrarium, was that I was trying to put a lid that fit, and some of the leaves got caught in between the lid and the jar. So I think that's what happened. But for the most part, those that are functioning way closer to the dirt or proximity of the dirt, it seems to be doing pretty good. So just wanted to make sure, just keep you guys in the loop of this plant here. It's doing really good. Checking out the dirt, and it looks as if the dirt is still moist. It's not dry. It doesn't need, I don't think it needs any more water because the leaves, as I touch them, they're wet, They're not saturated, but they are wet. So I want to take that off. I don't want to damage it anymore or anything like that by adding too much water. But so far, so good. Just make sure, if you are the one who receives this, just make sure that you prune it as often as you can. Give it oxygen every couple of days and make sure that the plant stays damp. Okay? And that's basically it. So I just wanted to keep you guys in the know. If you have any questions about this, is it the fluffy ruffle fern? I always forget, you know what I'm saying? It is, let me see if I'm right. No, the ruby maidenhair fern. I don't know why I can't tell them apart. And they're really different. But yes, this is doing extremely well. I don't see any issues with this at all. So if you got any questions, you got any concerns, please let me know. Let me just turn it so you can see.